Our neighbors are gonna kill us between your Enfield and this. It's beautiful. What do you think? Hey everybody, it's Fannie here. In our last video, we revealed my choice for my first UK big girl bike, the Indian Scout. During the search process, one of my big considerations was the actual buying experience. At last year's MTM motorcycle show at the Excel in London, I met Colin from Moorespeed. He invited us to come down to his dealership to take a look at the various models he had on offer. Unlike many of the other dealerships that were accessible to me around London, unfortunately they wouldn't let me test ride any of those motorcycles, but Colin didn't have any issue with it, so we went down to see him in Poole to test ride some bikes. As I had hoped, I love the Indian, and after talking with Colin about availability and price and our concerns about service, I left so confident that we agreed to sale. I was really excited, super excited to pick up my Indian Scout, and I'd like to share that moment with you. It also gives you some insight as to the buying experience at Moorespeed. Hi, looking for Colin to pick up my bike?
Yeah, no worries. I'll go grab it for you.
Yeah, thanks. Can I use your ladies' room?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I was happy that Moorespeed sold to me instead of my husband. That was really important to me as a female rider. They listened to what I wanted as a rider instead of just trying to sell me a girl's bike. It seemed that after riding all these motorcycles and such a long search, everything was finally starting to fall into place. So where is it? Where do you think it is?
I think it's through there, but we went upstairs.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Yeah, you coming up?
Yeah, sure.
Alright?
Yeah.
Excited?
Very excited, yes.
So, what do we want to do first? Should we see the beast first?
Yes, please.
You look at it for half a second. As long as you can see if there's someone there. You look at it for half a second. As long as you can see if there's someone there.
Thank you.
The front, up and under there.
Yeah. That one's back up on the left. Last bike is on the left side.
Thank you. Thanks. So excited.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Oh, yes. Yes.
There she be.
Oh my God. The side rails. And the light. Look at that. Oh my God.
That's wicked.
See, it looks like it should have been manufactured that way. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. That is really gorgeous. I'm so happy. Happy.
They're the same exhaust. My wife's got two, a lot of them. They're loud in here because it's echoing, but on the road you'll love it. They're really good.
It's very nice.
Looks slick, doesn't it?
Tell about the exhaust car.
No, what's going on with the exhaust?
He said
No, I was just going to ask. I don't think that's the standard exhaust.
No, he said that he forgot your birthday last year, so he had to make up to you.
They treated you.
Thank you. So tell me about this exhaust. What is it? I don't know anything about it. It's just loud.
They're Maverick crushers, so they're
Okay.
straight through, noisy, upset the neighbours, but it makes you enjoy the bike, so you're going to love it.
I love the sound. I thought it was a lot louder than I remembered it being. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, it's perfect.
So just check out getting your front underneath gear changer.
Yeah. See, that's okay.
Yeah.
I think that's good. There's plenty of room there.
We have to reset them up, so we think about it. People who wear bike boots.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. It's a really beautiful bike. Thank you very much. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Who's on it?
So it's wired into the switch live.
Wow. What does the S mean?
Side stand.
Side stand.
Then it's
Okay.
still down to that. I've got to set the clock in a minute.
Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Looks really good.
That's your gear display.
Yeah.
And then we've got temperature. Then up here, this is the toggle for the menus.
Okay.
So this will go through different. So we've done 6 miles on the PDI. That's the
Okay.
mileage there. But they're best keeping them in RPM. Then when you're running in, you want to be sticking between. Vary the rev range between 3 and 5,
Okay.
but they rev out at 8.5. So you've got plenty of scope to be running.
So between
in to
3 and
enjoy
5.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, and the constant RPMs. The bike, it's better to run it in a varied RPMs. We'll adjust all that when you're ready to
Okay.
get the tools out. So we're not sure where you're going to want it. So.
I'm really happy. I'm even happier that it has the louder exhaust. I wasn't gonna say anything. I'm like, that doesn't look like the standard exhaust. Thank you. Really nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, I can't wait to ride it. Yeah, I'm a like shoes and handbags. I'm a collector, so I would never part with this, unless it's like a dud.
Maybe a Moorespeed.
That is beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
It's all. This is all stock. Oh, the extras.
This is how we get
Yeah.
people part of extra cash. So.
I'll bear that in mind when I get my Indian.
Yeah, it's not big money for what you get, but it makes it.
Yeah.
I just think I like it. I think it's a much more
Personalised.
comfortable
It's
ride.
old
Yeah.
school, isn't it? It's Indian.
Yeah.
So it comes with this.
No,
it fit that.
extra.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, she wouldn't. Oh, you won't.
Yeah.
That was.
We're not buying an Indian without a headlamp.
I know. I was like, what are you trying to sell us
Does that
here?
light up?
Yeah.
It does, yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
Wow. All the time.
Yeah. So if you get one, you have to have him do that.
Do you know,
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Well, that's the way I know it's my Indian, because
Yeah.
you know,
Lovely.
I just got my UK full license in December,
Yeah.
and we've been looking at bikes since then. Yeah,
years
and then
together.
and this we met Colin at the NEC show, right? Was it
London,
Was it?
XL.
Yeah, XL. That's it.
Still London,
Yeah,
yeah.
and I was really taken with them then.
Yeah.
But secret is, before I qualified, when I was in law school and we were living in New Jersey, an Indian dealership opened in this very posh area near where we were living. We weren't living in the posh area. And of course I didn't have 2 nickels to rub together, but we went into dealership and these bikes were just gorgeous. And I looked at him, yeah, 35 grand was the cheapest bike you could get at that point.
Yeah.
And I just looked at him and I said, one day I'm gonna have an Indian.
Yeah.
So you kind of had a little bit of an advantage over the other dealerships because I really wanted one. Yeah. Fluid levels, like where do you check the fluid levels? Do I have to check any fluids on this?
Just ring Moorespeed.
Okay.
Say help.
Takes me 2 hours to get down here. What if I don't have the
The
fluid?
engine oil is on a dipstick.
Right, and it's
It's down this side. So down here there is a dipstick on that one, but the
Okay.
engine has to be hot and the bike has to be upright.
Yes, yeah.
There is a water one, but that is buried in under here. So you normally have to use a torch to see it. We've never seen one use any fluid on the water. So
Yes, I say, is
that
that
you should
something
have
that you
to-
need to check regularly or?
brake fluids up there. There's a sight glass on this side.
Okay.
Sight glass there. Sight glass there. All of that stuff will get rechecked on the first service as well at 500 miles because
Right.
this has got running in oil, which is different to the oil that will go back into it.
Okay.
So around your 500 miles when we need it back in to do the service.
Okay.
Um,
You'll remember that, right? Because I won't remember that.
Can't hear a word you're saying.
You better hear, because he's my bike valet. He's my bike valet. How am I supposed to remember this?
that logbook come pretty quick, isn't it?
Looking at yourself or are you checking?
Myself? Wait, am I supposed to be looking at something else?
So,
Go Good. Done. Done and done. Off we go.
We closed the shop.
Yes, we did.
They're rolling the bikes away.
I'm so pleased, and it's even better than I was expecting coming in for a new bike, and I was expecting a lot. It's like Knight Rider. It's like Kit. What's his name? What's Knight Rider's name? Michael
Knight.
Michael Knight.
Knight Rider.
It's like that, yeah. Michael Knight. When you turn it on, it sounds like Kit. It's just very, very cool. And we're in neutral here, so I'm gonna. Oh Jesus!
Holy crap! We are gonna get in so much trouble.
Is that legal? Oh, they didn't set the clock. Yeah, I'll figure out how to do that. Yeah.
Holy cow.
That is super loud.
That's pretty awesome.
That's really awesome.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. This is so loud. Oh my god.
My little brap sounds like crap.
It's so loud! Is it legal? It's legal though. Yeah, his sounds like he's inviting somebody to a birthday party.
You gotta drain out his boring jets.
Oh, absolutely.
Did he say it was legal?
I didn't ask.
Oh, he didn't answer. All right. You
All
lead
right.
out.
Let's go. You ready?
All right.
Ready?
How's it feel, baby?
It feels really good. Ooh. She's a bit of a bitch.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.